It's the raw uncut that we love. We're dissecting the tree. My name's Ben, this is Notch'em and Watch'em. Let me show you what we got here. Doing this tree for a good friend of mine. It's a magnolia tree. It's pretty big for a magnolia. I don't know, like 28 inches, maybe 30 inches, but it's got a bunch of good roping points. So I'm gonna rope the whole tree from itself and get all this stuff from over the neighbors and stuff. It's not a huge project, but it's still gonna be a fun one, so I'm gonna take you guys along to check it out. What are we doing, bud?
Oh, we're over here at a good friend's house, Mr. Marty Mark.
Sir,
Marty.
Give me a push, brother. Good to see you.
You too.
Has Shorty gotten used to the camera yet?
Chango!
Yeah, Shorty's a star now.
Yes, sir.
We're ready out here. We got the 261, 562, 592, T540, the 500. All with sharp chains, about to demolish something. Shorty's over there putting the rope in the tree. Let's do this. Got my Arbortech Reflex pants that I love so much when it's 90 degrees, like today. Got the trusted Monkey Beavers harness here, 2.0. So comfortable. And the Gecko spikes with the Buckingham Velcros. These pads are really nice. They wear out pretty quick. I get about a year out of them. Maybe a little more. Since my roping point's gonna be out there, guys, I'm gonna put a redirect right here just to keep things near the tree. If you pay attention to where your route's going to be on the way up and keep your rope kind of on the right side of the limbs, it can save you some time when you're going to set up. Hopefully that didn't blink the camera. I don't think it did. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's about as high as I'm gonna go. Cracks in the top right here. I don't think I need to be any higher. Nah, that's perfect. Set my little deal right there. These things are so nice, and I forget to bring them up a lot of times. Because I get in a hurry, but you know, it cuts down on the friction so much that it just makes things easier, man. Anything you can do up here to save your energy, it's kind of the name of the game. I bought that pulley saver and the daggone my rope sewn eye doesn't fit through it, so I'm kind of upset about that. But my Zigzag, I had to get this rope for it because it was the diameter of the cams got a little bigger and my other rope was slipping. Yep, so we're right in the town of Culpeper here, my hometown. Right by the Methodist church that I frequent. Not actually my church is Life Point, but we like the Methodist church too. Don't you just love it when people leave their saw running on these videos? Psych. Honestly, I probably would have left it running if the camera wasn't on. Alright. Got that right there. Stick that in there. Yeah. We're almost set up. Almost set up. All right, baby. Oh yeah, boy, let's get this party started. Yeah. Hello. These trees kind of make you feel like you're in the jungle, you know? Damn, I wish that swing set wasn't right there. The lasso! 3 tortillas for me this morning. Maybe 2 for lunch. Maybe 4 tortillas for dinner. slice and dice, dice and slice. Oh, the shade feels awesome. So we're in Virginia, guys, and it's humid and it's hot. It's probably gonna get 95 today. Right, Hayden? This weekend? Hayden just said it's supposed to be 110. Yikes. I'm gonna be in the shade somewhere sipping on a water. Hey, cuidado. All right. When you guys are cutting, if you see a piece like that, beware, because they will bounce. Now, the roping point's behind me, but sometimes to save time, you know, you just got to get out of the way when it swings over here. The right thing to do would have been to go all the way to the other side of the tree, but we ain't doing all that. And whenever you cut a limb, by all means, cut it. Make sure you ain't gonna damage nothing. Kind of working your way up both sides, you know. Try to get it all while we're here, if you can. That's close. Hey, Toto? We took care of her backside. Huh. We're gonna hit a triple decker here. Oh. Oh, baby. It's the raw uncut that we love. Oh baby, I like it raw. What do you say, tired? I can't hear you right. A big part about me hurting myself, well, the times I have hurt myself has been when I tie on a piece and before I cut it, I don't really assess where the tops are. You know, is it snagging a branch, you know, because I've cut branches before and it snagged another branch and broke it and it fell right on top of me. So before you cut a top or a big limb, you got to really look at all the different parts of it and make sure you're not hanging a wire or, you know, something like that. So anyway, all right, you ready? Pretty work. Pretty. Beautiful. Certain trees, man, if you want it to come off slow, you kind of let it peel, you know? But to be safe, you can always put a little cut underneath, right here. See how that works? Kind of slows it down just enough where it doesn't go swinging. And then see, this is where your little cut happens so it doesn't peel on your lanyard. Some trees it don't matter, but it's a good practice. We burning them down. Hey, put that thing closer to you. That's the old threesome right there, huh? Ay, ay, ay. Getting warm, Johnny, getting warm. Hey, maybe no good. Maybe hit the house. Huh? It'll be okay? Maybe hold it tight. You gotta say maybe before anything else when you're talking to these guys. We're dissecting the tree. Taking it to the top, Tippy. Hold it tight. See, we just want it to peel off of there, you know. What the hell happened to the rope? Hey, what happened? Hey, Shorty, it's no good. No more shade. Oh yeah, boy. Hot. Oh, damn it, man. Pull it down and cut it. Nah, the rope. Nah, fix it, look. Pull it down and cut it. See, the good thing about this pulley is in a situation like this, I don't want to pull the whole rope out, but I do want to reset my pulley. So you can just take it out right in mid. I'll just set it in there, like that. Now I can reset my pulley because it wasn't quite high enough. Say my camera keeps cutting off because it's too hot. It's all good though. I got a pretty good, some good footage already. I got some good footage already. Yeah, I said that too. I said, well, now that we got our backside off, we're gonna go to the front side. I'm thirsty. Nah, dude, by the time you get all that, I'll be done with this stupid top. You know? It's good. It's all good in the hood. I sold wood in the hood. Watch out, watch out, watch out! Man, about got his ass. It was a hanger, man. What's up? All right, I like that. Ready? Well, we got everything done, guys. Tell you what, I'm smoked. It was hot. As you can see, we got the Magnolia out of here. They're around front doing the gutters. He ground the stump. Not sure what he's doing with those grindings. But if you guys are enjoying this content and you're new to the channel, thanks for coming by. Smash the like button and subscribe, and leave something in the comments. I always want to hear from you guys. To all of you guys that watch this channel and enjoy it, sorry I haven't been posting a whole lot lately. Life's been a little chaotic. I'm doing the best I can. Hopefully you guys will stick around, because there's definitely more to come. And if you guys are having a bad day today, try to help somebody. Help somebody out. It'll take your mind off of the things in your life that are going wrong, and you'll be able to get some gratitude for the day, because I know it always helps me. But anyway, that's a little word from me. That's all I got for today, so we'll catch you guys on the next one.